This week's recipe comes from my childhood, a yummy sweet treat that is also much easier to make at home than you think. This is a dish I presented at my Taiwanese pop-up in India. Fried sweet potato ball is actually very commonly served in night market, as well as when I was growing up, let's say when we go watch a game outside, they always have it at the stall there. This is something that I always buy because it's crunchy on the outside, it's chewy and soft on the inside. It has this light sweetness, not just from sugar, but also you can taste the sweet potato inside. So a little bit of background about sweet potato. Where I'm from in Taiwan, sweet potato is a staple. Sometimes we just steam it and eat it like this. Also, sweet potato flour is very commonly used as a starch base. There's the sweet potato leaves that we use to stir fry as well. So this is why I decided to highlight these ingredients for my pop-up. And then I'm going to show you how I make it and hope you will enjoy it as well. Once you have peeled all the sweet potato, cut them into chunks. For full details, check out the recipe in the description below. So the sweet potato has been peeled and cut. Now I'm going to steam it. I have a steam oven. I would just steam for 20 minutes. The other option is you can boil it until it's very soft, which takes about 20 minutes. Or you can also bake it. Bake it takes a little bit longer, it's 40 minutes. Otherwise, microwave it. I would suggest that you will prick it and then start with 5 minutes and then just check from time to time. All right, so the sweet potatoes are done. It's nice and soft. When you press it down, it just degenerates. And then I mix in sugar. So now I'm going to mash the sweet potato with the sugar. So you see the dough is not coming together. It's still a loose pile of just mixture. I'm going to put sweet potato flour. As you add the flour, the mixture will start to firm up and be closer in consistency to a dough. Don't forget your glutinous rice flour too. So now the 3 things that we look for when we mix dough together. As we talk about in my Go and Poi video, look out for your hands, bowl, and dough being clean from the mixture to know when you're done working with your dough. Alright, so the dough has come together. Basically, we can start rolling them. So I'm going to take a piece and I'm going to start rolling them. I suggest usually, I don't like it too big, so usually about 50 grams. Alright, so I'm getting a little bit tired rolling this. I got a friend to help me. Rayon 呢是打理，轻轻的，然后这样子揉成一个圆圆的。OK， 好。加油，加油 ！See much faster now. Disclaimer: Murchie's assistant might result in sweet potato shapes you weren't planning for. 怎么样？好了，用圆的。Okay. Your prepared portion might also end up in places other than the tray. 哎，哇！那我丢出去的啦。Alright, so Rayon has helped us shape it. And then I kept it in the fridge overnight. You don't have to. So keep in mind, to fry this, the temperature needs to be quite low, 150. The recipe does require a precise temperature, which can be measured easily with a digital thermometer. So the key is try not to get the sweet potato to touch each other because they will stick to each other. So now I have my spider to try to make sure they kind of have some space. Look for a gentle bubbling when you fry. So what I do is then I press it. 1, 2, 3. That's how they do it. In Taiwan, you will see them keep pressing it down. This light press helps the sweet potato balls to puff up and balloon in size. Keep frying until golden, then transfer to a wire rack to drain and cool. Delightfully crispy yet soft, sweet potato balls are a perfect sweet treat to end any meal. You can taste the sweet potato. It also has a different texture. Gooey on the inside and then crunchy on the outside. Very good.